Okay, before we start to color, you have to prepare your watercolor pens
And watercolor paper for short.
Your watercolor tray so you can mix the color, a towel that is allow you to dry your brush. You can use the napkin if you don't have the towel to use, and the cool clean water. So make sure the water is no temperature, so you are not going to use the warm water or even the hot water, cool water only. And we need a big brush for big area, medium brush for medium area, and small brush for small area. Okay, but you have to look at your brushes. If your brush looks like this, looks like explodes, okay, then don't use this type of the brush, it's damaged. Okay, you can use this brush to color the grass or something rough. Okay, so now we can begin to color.